DIY building our house on the back of a 1988 Unimog, showing you everything that we do. What could go wrong, right? The goal is simple: build our dream house doing as much of it ourselves as we can, meet some awesome people on the way, and have a lifetime full of adventures. So join us for it. It's going to be out the gate. Come along on our journey in our Unimog to Whangārei Heads, Northland, where we explore beaches, mountains and delicious pies. But first we got to stop for fuel. Oh, you finished?
Yeah.
How much? $32. The rest is electric, isn't it? Louis likes to make sure our fuel tanks are full because last time, well, we ran out of fuel. Anyway, it's a slow journey out to the Whangārei Heads. We always make sure to pull to the left as much as we can to let cars behind us go through. Let's see how I do at playing tour guide. I forgot what that is called. Mount something. It takes 20 minutes to run up it. Beautiful views. It's actually a loop track and it passes by a marine reserve, so there's a little bit of fish in the water. And then to the left is Mount Whangarei. That's where we're going to stop for a pie later, the deck. We used to have amazing pies, don't know if they still do. Come around the corner. Whoa! So pretty! Isn't that so cool? All the walking tracks out in Whangarei Heads are no dogs allowed, so we had our 3 dogs with us, which meant we have to come back next time to do those walks. Well, I grew up in Whangarei and I've been surrounded by all these Māori place names. But when I was growing up, I just would always copy people as to how they would say it, and so we're like driving past all these road signs, and right now in Torikura, and I was like, oh, they must have changed the name because I used to call it Tarakura. Embarrassing! Do better! What are your thoughts for that?
I just got here.
Louis and I really try our best to pronounce any Māori name correctly, as we think it's the least we can do to live in this beautiful country. Speaking of beautiful, these next clips are just some of the beautiful scenery we saw driving from Pārua Bay to Ocean Beach, plus some epic drone shots. I hope you enjoy. P.S. This is 4 times the speed. The Unimog definitely can't go this fast.
Nice, Jamie. Oh, Jamie got swept! Go, Jamie!
I don't know if you can see this, but it's big sand dune there. I'm gonna go up there and do some fitness. We've got a CrossFit competition coming up and we thought we better use this time to do some fitness because we know the competition is going to require some sprinting or hill climbing or something. So we're getting a bit of a leg burn going on. That's one. Gonna go round two. What? No.
How many have we done?
5.
Why?
Because fitness. Gotta keep the dog. Dog's fueled. Little fold up bowl. Best invention ever.
2 pups, 1 cup. Alright, champ.
Okay. Good job. Yay! That's 2.
Of 2.
Yep, we stopped at 2. As our stomachs started to rumble, we thought it was time to head off and search for the best pie in New Zealand. The dogs were definitely happy that we stopped at 2 as well. Now, if you're looking for a beach or a place that you can go off-roading, like we are in our Unimog, Whangārei Heads is not the place. Doesn't mean there's not lots of things to see or do, and it's definitely a place you should put on your list if you travel to New Zealand. Louis wants to check out the water. Whoa, look at those dead fish there. Oh, is that a dead fish? Right there. Snapper. The heck? After a quick stop to check out the stunning turquoise water, and despite the dead fish, we were hungry. At Deck Cafe, we're doing a pie test. Wait, you haven't actually gotten into like you can get into the middle to actually. I got chicken, leek and mushroom.
Pureed mince.
Louis' pet thing. Pureed mince.
It's for 90-year-olds, it's not 10.
What would you rate it? Better or worse than the one at Whangarei?
Same. It's the same pie to me. Actually, the other one probably had a bit of cheese.
I don't really like mushrooms that much, so you really taste the mushroom flavour in this. Quite nice actually. It tastes like creamy mushrooms. Yeah, creamy mushrooms with chicken. The taste is good.
Yeah, cacao pastry is a saviour. Do you hear it?
I give mine an 8 out of 10. It's yummy. Heart and belly's full. It was time to head back to Whangarei.
We're heading back! We're heading back!
Yeah, I'll save your ears from the loud Unimog engine. Whangārei Heads is a perfect little day trip, however there is some pretty camping spots out there too. The pups are knackered after their run on the beach, but just FYI, dogs are not allowed at Ocean Beach from about late November to February, and I'm sure you can find that online. But honestly, the sand would be too hot for their cutie little paws anyway. If you're watching this, make this your sign to go and visit the Whangarei Heads now. You will not regret it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed a little break from building. If there's any places you want us to visit, comment them below and make sure to subscribe. Bye!